There's something no one's telling you. Something that could flip the switch on your performance without needing a doctor, a pharmacy, or a tiny blue pill. And no, it's not magic. It's science. Authentic, gritty, test tube confirmed science. And if you've been feeling like things aren't firing the way they used to, buckle up. We all know the drill. You want results, you want that spark back, but the only option you're handed? A pill with a list of side effects longer than your grocery list. Sure, it works for a moment, then it's gone. And you're left with the crash, the cost, and the constant cycle. That's not performance. That's a patch. Everyone knows Viagra works. You pop the pill, blood rushes south, and boom, performance on demand. But here's the truth. It's a shortcut, a cheat code. It forces your body to respond, but it doesn't fix anything. It doesn't help you perform better tomorrow. It doesn't boost your stamina, circulation, or energy. And the side effects? Brutal. Headaches, dizziness, facial flushing, nausea. It's a total gamble for some guys. And let's not forget the most embarrassing part. It only works when you take it. Skip the pill, skip the performance. That's why more and more men are looking for an edge that builds them up, not one that holds them hostage. And L-citrulline does precisely that. Here's the deal. L-citrulline is an amino acid your body already uses to make nitric oxide, a molecule that opens up blood vessels, improves circulation, and makes everything flow smoother. I'm not just talking about better gym pumps or heart health. I'm talking about what matters behind closed doors. A harder, fuller, longer-lasting performance where it counts. Viagra gives you a temporary spike in nitric oxide. L-citrulline trains your body to make more of it naturally. Think of it like this. Viagra gives you rented horsepower for one ride. L-citrulline builds the engine inside you to run better every single day. Over time, your stamina improves, your recovery speeds up, your blood flow gets stronger, your energy levels rise, and your confidence, sky high. Don't just take my word for it. A 2011 study in urology followed men with mild erectile issues. After taking L-citrulline daily for just a month, 50% reported significant improvements without side effects. But the benefits don't stop in the bedroom. This amino acid reduces muscle fatigue, boosts cardiovascular performance, supports brain function, lowers blood pressure, accelerates recovery, and fights inflammation. That's why pro athletes and biohackers stack it into their daily routines. Because it works, and it keeps working. Here's how to use it. 1,500 to 3,000 milligrams a day is the sweet spot for most guys. Take it 30 to 60 minutes before the activity if you want the performance boost. Or take it every morning to build your levels and transform over time. And do you want to supercharge the effects? Stack it. Combine L-citrulline with beetroot extract or Panax ginseng to unlock a next-level nitric oxide surge. Beetroot gives you nitrates that turn into NO, while ginseng helps increase stamina, circulation, and libido. Together, it's like flipping the turbo switch. But a quick heads up, if you've got low blood pressure or are already on nitrates, talk to your doctor first. L-citrulline can lower BP, and combining it with meds that do the same might drop things too far. If you're clear though, this stuff is pure gold. Want to go even deeper? Here are 3 proven stacks. For blood flow and endurance, 3,000 milligrams L-citrulline plus 500 milligrams beetroot extract plus 100 milligrams CoQ10. For testosterone and libido, 2,000 milligrams L-citrulline plus 500 milligram tribulus terrestris plus 30 milligrams zinc. For peak physical and bedroom performance, 2,000 milligrams L-citrulline plus 3,000 milligrams L-arginine plus 600 milligrams Panax ginseng. These combos hit every angle: stamina, circulation, testosterone, and cellular energy. No fluff, just results. So, is L-citrulline a Viagra replacement? Honestly, it's better. Viagra is a short-term trick. L-citrulline is a long-term upgrade. It doesn't just help you rise to the occasion, it rewires the machine so you can show up daily with strength, energy, and confidence. No crash, no side effects, no dependency. Just a smarter, stronger, natural way to reclaim your edge. Try one. Could you test it out? Feel the difference. Then come back here and tell us what changed. That's your mission. If this helped, smash the like, subscribe for more tips that work, and drop a comment if you've tried L-citrulline before. Let's help each other out, one win at a time.